In this video, we will create this simple and elegant health record management system using Google Spreadsheet and Google Drive. This is how it works. Simply, insert the patient or member name here along with report date and name of the report. You can also store the PDFs and image files of your health reports or consultation records here in your Google Drive for future reference. You can store remarks on this report like what needs to be done to improve this report so that entire report needs not be seen again. After this, simply click on Save button and the record will be stored in the spreadsheet, which will be visible in the table below for ready reference. As you can see, the record has been saved and you can easily refer to this anytime without looking at multiple folders in your Google Drive. All you need to do is to just keep this link handy in your bookmarks. Let's just make one more entry in the records and then we will proceed to see how to create this dashboard with minimal coding. Here you can upload both PDFs as well as images taken your smartphone. As you can see, the second entry has also been made successfully. Let us now proceed to the coding part. Create a new spreadsheet. Rename this spreadsheet as you like. We have named it HRMS, that is Health Record Management System version 2. Now, create following columns in the spreadsheet, that is serial number, patient name, report date, report name, upload file, and remarks. After this, go to Extensions, then App Script. Then copy-paste this code in code.gs file. The link to the entire code is given in description box. Now, copy the spreadsheet ID and paste it in the sheet ID variable. Now, create this index file. I should be capital here. Paste the following code in the index file. Now, rename this project and then go to Deploy and click on the new deployment. Select the project as web app type. Then name this deployment as you wish. Here, you can share this project with anyone, which means any of the members can upload their reports on this dashboard, or you can keep this link with yourself only. Then authorize and give access. The link to your brand new health management records has been created. Copy this link and open the dashboard. As you can see, the dashboard has been created. We will now create a few records to see how this works. As you can see, the record has been created successfully. Now, all you need to do is to keep this link handy with yourself, and the entire health records of your family or your clients would always remain available with you in the most organized way possible. You can also shorten this link using tiny URL to easily remember and share this link with others. Further, since all the data is saved in your Google Drive, hence there is also no concern regarding the safety of your data. This is the spreadsheet or the backend where all the information is being stored. Also, the uploaded files are being stored on Google Drive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Suggest modifications that you desire in this system in the comment box, and we will try to upgrade it. Thanks for watching.